Hi guys, welcome back. What's up? Today I'm here with Aliexpress again. The regular drawstring bag that the hair always comes in, and there's a couple stuff in there. So let's see. So what I got in today's package, I got an information card, basically, you know, with hair care, their social media, all those stuff. I got a wig cap. And those are the only two things I got today. This is the wig that we're working with. It's a 4x4 lace closure wig. It's 20 inches long, and it's a mix with number 27. The hair color that it's a body wave, and it's 150% in density. This came with some bomb curls. It's also a medium brown lace. Okay, so as I said before, it's a 4x4 lace closure. It's not frontal, so this should be really easy to install. Super easy. I'm gonna make this super easy to install today. So that's the vibes. Oh my gosh, these curls are so precise that it came with. I don't think I'll even have to go back through it. We're gonna lay this honey like it's a frontal. So oh my gosh, it's so nice. I didn't show you in this inside. It has 3 combs in total, and it has adjustable strap in the back, standard cap construction. Love the hair color. It's really beautiful, trendy. So I'm just gonna slip this on. It's a center part, by the way, as you guys saw. I realize that most times with the closure wigs, they come in like mostly center parts. So this is a little plucked in the front, so I can pull it back a little. In one of my previous closure wig videos, I didn't do any baby hairs because I know that not everybody is for that whole look. So I didn't do any baby hairs for that. So I'm just gonna pull this back, and all I'm going to do, I pull it to where I want it, and then I'm going to take my Got To Be spray, just let it, you know, super melted. And then I'm going to take my blow dryer on cool air.
Those hands and lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life.
I'm gonna take my elastic band and kind of just pull it on it to further melt it into the skin. Take my blow dryer once more. Now I'm just gonna cut away the excess lace.
I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you, now with you.
Remember, I recall in my previous lace closure wig video, I did not do any swoops, no baby hairs, nothing at all. So today I'm going to do 2 swoops because I'm giving you guys variety, different styles. You don't have to, being that this is easy. This is really easy. I feel like if you want to ease into things, as I said before, you don't want a headband wig, lace closure is a good way to go. Lace closure wigs, you don't have to do like a lot of work.
From this high.
just a little shedding. It's actually falling on my leg, but I can definitely feel. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna make my parting a little bit more visible. The length is perfect. This is one of those wigs that give me the vibe like you're going to brunch, you want to get cute, nice center part, like long bob vibe, loose wavy look. It's like really classy. Color is not too loud. It's really pretty. Really pretty. And really, really was so easy to install. Like super easy to install. So you guys know my little trick. I take my rat tail comb with some concealer and I make my parting brighter.
Yeah, I can't give up this.
I thought I'd have to go back over parts with my one and I really didn't have to. So that's a next reason why I say it's a really easy wig to install, because it comes curled in the package. It comes curled perfectly. Of course you can see that it's definitely them that pre-curl the hair, but it's like you can take it straight out of the package. Just know that you put it on and just follow the steps to this video and it should look like this. This color always gives me Beyonce or Ciara vibe. It's like so pretty and I love the streaks. This is definitely trending. As you guys know, I've done quite a few wigs with this kind of color and the streaked look, and I must say it's one that I'm not tired of. I personally want to tap into more colors though, like color, so stay tuned for those videos. I will be doing a couple wig transformations. I have like 2 in mind so far, so stay tuned for those. But Aliexpress did it for me with this. I'm going to put all the specifications to this wig in my description box, so you guys please feel free to go ahead and check it out if you're interested in this wig. Other people who come to me all the time and be like, so boy, I love the wig them, you know, but boy, I can't do all of that work there, but I love to put it on by myself, you know. This is the video for you. Just try, just practice, you'll get it. But yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Like this video, comment, share it, subscribe to my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.
This feeling that I get when looking down from the sky.